When setting up the ME-3750 rolling stage system, you'll need 2 people. The first thing you'll need to do is to engage the locking casters by rotating the handle into the horizontal position. With the casters engaged, release the latch and pull out both sides one at a time. Next, set the support at the desired height and make sure the position of the retractable locator assembly is in the appropriate position to bridge the adjacent decks. Once you've done this, place the decks onto the support. Now you can disengage the casters and roll the unit into position. Once it's in position, re-engage the casters. To level the deck after it's in position, simply raise or lower the adjustable screw feet. Once it's leveled, go back and tighten down all the jam nuts. Here's a photo of how a stage should be set up with the bridged decks. If you have any further questions, please contact us.